Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner, low-mileage 2016 Audi A6 2T Premium FrontTrak Sedan with the remainder of its factory warranty. With those stylish and elegant lines, it would be easy to buy this outstanding A6 based upon its looks alone, but this mid-size luxury sedan offers so much more. With its upscale interior, high-tech safety, comfort, convenience and entertainment features, coupled with its remarkably athletic, agile and spirited driving dynamics, this notable Audi should be a top contender on your test drive list. The finely crafted cabin is refined and rated as one of the best interiors in its class. It is easy to see why, with its attractive and intuitive layout, top-notch materials and exquisite attention to detail. The dash-mounted pop-up MMI infotainment system controls many of the onboard operations, which are logical with sophisticated and crisp graphics. This model features Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, Audi Drive Select, which provides adjustable modes for steering, gas pedal and transmission response, the FrontTrak 7-speed automatic transmission, a sunroof, tri-zone automatic climate control, heated 8-way power front seat, which includes the driver 4-way lumbar adjustments, driver memory settings, leather upholstery, and a 10-speaker sound system with a CD player, satellite radio, and Audi's proprietary digital music interface. This A6 also has the Audi Pre-Sense system, which will warn the driver and prepare the vehicle for safety if a potential collision is detected. The list of additional features is far too extensive to outline in this short video. Please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us for the full specifications on this model. We invite you to come and experience the A6 excellence for yourself. Prepare to be impressed with the athletic handling, strong yet fuel-efficient engine, and the overall sense of refinement. With its smooth and swift performance, you will find this turbocharged 2-litre 4-cylinder is one fun car to drive. When it comes to overall upscale ambience, high-tech features and composed yet agile handling, you will find this good all-around performer is hard to beat. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.